What's up everybody, it's the Crawdad Man. I'm finally making another video. I think you guys will like this one. I am going to be building another motorized bike. It's not a weed whacker bike this time, it's actually going to be with the motorized bike kit. And as you can see, what we have in front of us is the motorized bike kit. Yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and showing you what's inside. So here's kind of what's inside the box right here. It's pretty much boxes inside boxes, but I'll get that open right now. Alright, so now that we have everything unboxed, this is everything that was in the box. Boxes. We have, starting over here, we have a chain guard. I'm not going to use this. It's pretty flimsy anyway. We have the exhaust pipe. I'm actually going to buy an expansion chamber later on. I got the black kit. I just thought it would look more sleek with the bike I'm going for. I'll post a picture up of the bike that I'm getting. I do not have it currently. Here is the fuel tank. It looks to be in pretty good shape. It's painted a little bit better than the actual engine because the engine doesn't come stock black. I think the guy on eBay that I bought it from painted it. I got the NT carb. I'm also going to buy a high flow, better quality carb. This will have to do for now though. A standard to expanded down tube adapter. The magneto. We have a lot of miscellaneous things such as the spark plug, the rubber grommets that go in between the sprocket and the tire, fuel line, inline fuel filter, and then lots of other bolts and stuff that I'll get into later on in the video. We have chain tensioner. I don't know what this is. I'll probably figure it out later on. We have the throttle handlebar mount thingy, and then throttle and clutch cables. We have the clutch lever and the other grip, and then we have the pretty heavy duty feeling and looking chain. Then we have the, I think it's the 42 tooth sprocket, and it looks to be not warped. It looks pretty straight throughout. Then we have the black engine. It's a 80cc engine. Yeah, I mean everything's the same on it as normal, except it's just black instead of silver. And yeah, so I will update you once I get the bike, and I will do a build video of the bike, and then we'll put together the engine. And yeah, so that is the engine kit.